Channel 4 in New York. A subscriber in good standing to the Television Code Board, Washington, D.C. This concludes our program schedule for the day. Portions of the preceding broadcast day were pre-recorded. For the best in television entertainment, stay with WNBC-TV, Channel 4 in New York. We'll return to the air tomorrow with more of your favorite programs. This is Arthur Gary wishing you a good night on behalf of Channel 4. And now our national anthem.